Hello everyone, my name is Samir Chaudhary and I'm going to explain about the professional engagement activity that basically includes the graduate attributes of Federation University graduate. The attributes that I'm going to discuss are all the learnings that I have acquired by completing the master's project. So the my master's project that I have worked on is on developing an inventory management system for a client company named Mars Leathers, and therefore the project is entitled as Mars Leathers Inventory Management System. And the project details is on the screen. And Mars Leathers is a Melbourne-based bike apparels company that specializes in motorcycle leathers, gears, jackets, shoes, gloves, helmets, and other accessories. Mars Leathers sells all these bike apparels in different parts around Australia. And our client's name is Khalid Ahmed, who is also the CEO of Mars Leathers company. Our project supervisor is Mr. Mohammad Naji. This project was executed in a group of 4 students, including myself. And Mars Leathers is selling bike apparels across Australia. As the name suggests, the project is on developing an efficient inventory management system for Mars Leathers company. And the management of the inventory is the major issue of the company. The main aim of this project is to assess the current existing system of Mars Leathers and identify the problems faced by Mars Leathers company, and to address those issues by providing solutions through a new inventory management system. In addition to that, the requirement of the project also includes the added functionalities to the new system. For the fulfillment of the client's requirements, we have worked together in a team to develop an efficient inventory management system that would address all the identified issues and ultimately increase the revenue for the company. Now, project vision. The main vision of Mars Leather's inventory management system is to offer the client with an efficient inventory management system. Similarly, the project's vision is to keep track of the available inventory, and also the project aims to manage sales on timely basis, that is on daily, weekly and monthly basis. The project also aims to provide with a system that facilitates a smooth operation of transactions across the several departments and throughout the supply chain. Now, main issues to be addressed. After detailed and multiple discussions with the client, we have identified several issues that exist in the current system of Mars Leathers company. First issue that is identified is the lack of inventory management. Second issue is the lack of automated sales report generation on daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Third issue is the absence of an alerting system for low stock products in inventory. Fourth issue is on availability of analytics that provides details on highest selling to lowest selling products over a certain period. Now I'm going to speak about the Federation University graduate attributes. The main graduate attributes that I have acquired by completing the master's project. I have thrivingly applied my discipline knowledge and intellectual knowledge by comprehending the subject area. Being a part of the project, I had an opportunity to implement my knowledge on ERP, SCM, customer relationship management, business process reengineering, big data, business analytics, cloud computing, project management, and IT strategy. I have developed skills for analysis, implementation, and usage of enterprise systems. I have applied creative thinking and problem solving in the problem area. Critical thinking has enabled me to analyze the client's business processes and their requirements and problems. I have successfully worked in a team along with my fellow team members, overcoming several issues together. Alongside, I have developed my communication skills via frequent communication with the team members, supervisors, clients, users, and all the stakeholders. Effective communication skills enable me to smoothly exchange ideas between us team members and helping each of us to be a better team player. I have been able to apply professional and leadership skills by completing this project. And as a system analyst, I have analyzed the current existing system in the Mars Leathers company. After analysis, I have developed the ASIS model and visually represented it in ASIS diagram. The ASIS model shows how Mars Leather Company currently operates and what business processes are ongoing in their respective manners. As a system analyst in our project, I have identified major problems, defined the objectives, and identified the gaps. For refining the gap in the current system and the proposed system, I conducted research by consulting several peer-reviewed journal articles to investigate the methodologies adopted by other enterprises for overcoming similar problems. The literature review helped me to discover potential solutions for the problems of the client. As a system analyst, I redesigned the business process of the Mars Leathers company for achieving the objectives and requirements of the client. I developed a 2B model for the company, and this diagram represents the proposed system that addresses all the identified issues and recommend functionalities to be added to the future system. This 2B model shows improved business processes across multiple departments. Meanwhile, it also shows the added features of automated sales report, low stock alert, and inventory count in between the business process. Likewise, as system analyst, I have conducted the product evaluation. The product in our case is the inventory management system. Data collection is a part of product evaluation, and I have contributed to designing the questionnaire, which is the prime source of data collection. I have addressed the questions to the end users of the system, and I have collected the responses from the users. The responses that are obtained are visually represented by statistical tools such as pie charts. Based on the responses obtained from the users, I have identified the modules that are highly recommended to be implemented into the new inventory management system for the Mars Leathers. And this slide shows the development of functionalities or modules as a part of our non-working prototype. The functionalities of the proposed system is based on the user requirements that is achieved by developing a web-based inventory management system. By using Photoshop and other designing tools, there are several screenshots of the few modules that I have designed for the proposed system as a part of non-working prototype. This is a visual representation of the system on how it would look if fully developed. It depicts the different modules of the proposed inventory management system for Mars Leathers. Interaction with the client. Interacting with the client was one of the most important aspects for the success of this project. Over the duration of the development, we frequently interacted with the client via multiple ways. The major ways of interaction were Zoom calls, phone calls, and Skype meetings. Communication with the client enhanced my ability to interact confidently and professionally over time. And team collaboration was carried out via frequent communication and virtual meetings. We conducted meetings to discuss on the project matters with each other or supervisor or with our client. Our team collaborated via Zoom meetings, Skype, WhatsApp, and phone calls. Furthermore, our team used GitHub for collaborating the code of the project. SFI skills and ACS CBOK knowledge. Regarding the SFI skills, I was involved in the system design level for whether Mars inventory management system included system designing components using appropriate modeling techniques and methodologies. Similarly, another SFI skills was organizational design and the implementation level 5, where it outlined how Mars Leathers Company needed to change in terms of structure, rules to enable the future business process under the new system. Thus, completing this project demonstrates my understanding on technology building, which is a prime knowledge area of ACS CBOK. And the knowledge and skills from Master's project enabled me to propose a new state-of-the-art information technology solution to address the business problem of Mars Leathers Company. Likewise, I was able to deliver appropriate professional industry-level documentation with a research report. It fostered me to equip myself with problem-based self-learning and research skills. I am glad I enrolled in Master of Technology, Enterprise System and Business Analytics, and as a part of Federation University, I got such a wonderful opportunity to enhance my skills and gain a competitive advantage in the job market. And thank you.